What is going on, beautiful people? I am Chev B. If you're new here, welcome, Wagwan. Make sure you subscribe down below. So we're about to do another wig install and review, and we'll be working with this hair from Nadula.com. So I just want to show you what's in my package. So we got a melting band, a edge brush, and also a wig cap. Now the wig cap depends on if you want to do a ball cap method or you just need something to hold your hair down. So this wig that we'll be working with is their 7x5 closure Chestnut Ombre Yaki straight wig, and this is their bye bye knots wig, and it also has an invisible drawstring in the back, and I got this in 24 inches. So this is what their bye bye knots look like. You don't have to do anything with this wig. You don't have to customize it. Like, the wig is ready to be worn. And what I love about this invisible drawstring is that you can adjust it to any head shape size, and it also comes with this tiny lock thingamajig that you pull down to where you stop the wig from readjusting once you get it to your correct size. So I just want to show you guys what the wig looks like straight out of the package. I didn't experience any shedding with this hair. It also has extra bands on the inside to tighten so that you can wear this wig glueless. Now, one thing about me, it's been a minute. I'm going to be honest, it's been a minute since I have worn a wig. I've been doing braids all summer and my hair is tired. So we need to go back to our full protective styling, which is wearing a wig, because you know there is no leave out involved. So I just want to customize it a little bit, and I said all of that to say I might be a little bit rusty with putting on a wig. It's like riding a bike. You get the hang of it once you get there, but like, I'm going to show you in a second. So first, I want to layer the front to make sure that it frames my face. I want a layered look. That is always going to be it for me, to layer your wigs, especially in the front. It shapes your face so much better. It looks so much better. It looks professional, and it just doesn't look like, you know, you got a wig and you pop it out the package and just put it straight on your head. Like, shape that wig up a little bit. And if you're not like comfortable or you're not sure how to do the shaping and all of that, take your time and do it little by little, but essentially just shape it up a bit. Now this is where the rustiness comes in. This wig was already pre-plucked, pre-bleached and everything for me, so I did not need to pluck the front. And what I forgot is that if you're gonna even touch it up a little bit, you can't be going this hard and this fast, because what did I do? I overplucked the front, and you can't put the hair back once you overpluck. So do it slower if you need to, and do it lightly. Do you see how thin I thin out the front? Like, afterwards when I put the wig on, I'm like, oop, seems like I forgot. Like, you're not supposed to over pluck the wig. Like, I was going too fast. It was like I had plucking blindness. You know how some of the girlies have blush blindness? I had plucking blindness, and I over plucked the front, but we made it work anyway. So what you just saw me use was the Sebastian hairspray. You can get that on my Amazon storefront. I'm going to leave the link in my description box, but I wanted to do some light wave in the hair. I didn't just want to leave it straight. So because this is a yaki texture, you know, a lot of times it doesn't always hold curls the best, but when you use this hairspray and then you go in with a titanium curling iron, girl, the curls did what they needed to do. Even when they fell, they still have the waviness to it that was so beautiful. And also, if you want, you can do a drop pin style, meaning that when you curl the hair, you just put a pin in it and then let it cool down with it rolled up with the pin, and the curls will last longer. But honestly, I was going somewhere and I didn't have time to do all of that, so I just curled it and put the wig straight on. So this is what it's looking like. I didn't want to aim for too much perfection with the curliness. I just wanted it to be more wavy than anything else. So I'm just gonna go in with some edge control. You can use whatever edge control you want, and I'm just gonna slick my hair back. And I'm not gonna do anything special or ball cap method. If it's one thing y'all know about me, is I don't play by my edges. I like to wear my hair without the wig. Sometimes I like ponytails and all of that, and you can't be doing a ponytail if your edges is gone. Okay, you cannot. So I do not do the ball cap method. I'm not putting any type of alcohol, any type of craziness on my edges. I like to wear my wigs either glueless or non-ball cap method. So I'm going to go in with some makeup just to put on the lace itself so that it could match my complexion better, and also because I'm wearing makeup, you know, my face is bronzed, it's this, it's that. So I just want to make sure that the lace is matching. So we're gonna have to, you know, get the lace to match our complexion over time. You're gonna see how I fix that. So I just adjust the band on the inside of the wig, then I'm gonna flip it over and adjust it to my liking. So once I fit the wig in, remember you have that drawstring in the back. So if you need to readjust, go ahead and do that. I'm just going to take my scissors, even though the hair is already pre-cut, I just want to shape it up a little bit, because remember, all of our head size and our hairline is not the same. But what you don't want to do is just cut it straight across. You want to do it in like a zigzaggedy type of motion. Like the more imperfect, like you cut the lace going across, is the better. So don't just do a straight line. So what you're seeing me do right now is going in with my bronzing powder just to clean up my part, and also put some of that makeup on the front so that it could match my forehead somewhat. We're still not done with the front yet, so don't be alarmed by the line that you're seeing. We are about to melt that lace in a minute. Now, even though I'm going to use some Got2b glue, at the end of the day, this is still glueless, because Got2b can be removed with pretty much sweat, to be honest. Like if your wig is not super tight, it's one of them loose lace, yeah, you might need something stronger if you're going for a meltdown. But the wig fits snug, so I know I will be fine with the Got2b. So I just put that underneath the lace, and then I put the lace on top. Then I spray a little bit of lace spray onto my tail comb and on my fingertips, and then I'm just gonna flatten that down a little bit. Then we're gonna go in with our melting band, and we're gonna tie that down while we, you know, do a little bit of customization with the curls. I comb it out a little bit. I'm just fluffing it out. Like I said, I wanted something loose. I didn't want it to be too tight. Then I'm gonna go in with my scissors again, just to cut the layers a little bit shorter in the front. I wanted it to fit, like frame my face just a little bit more. Now once we've had that tied down for about a good 10 minutes or so, I'm gonna go back in with some more bronzer, because you know, we're the finishing touches and we're about to take pictures. We're gonna be out, and we can't have our hair front looking crazy in our pictures, you know what I'm saying? So this is what the hair is looking like. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. I am so in love. The color, the ombre, is subtle, it is beautiful. I think it is work friendly, it is out friendly, it is just one of them wigs. So all the details will be down in the description box down below. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.